This traction control off, first gear. This is worthless Honda factory traction control. And this is the full Hondata system engaged.
Good? Yep. Alright, today we're going to be showing you guys how this traction control system works. The whole system is pretty much off right now, and we're going to do some pulls to kind of get a feel for how it works. So this is second gear, traction control off. Very violent and zero traction. That was second gear. So now we're gonna turn on the factory system on, and I'll show you that that doesn't even really help. Slow down. First gear. It just doesn't work very well. Now we're gonna turn on our traction control from Hondata that was installed and see what the difference is. Traction control is on factory Hondata, and this is what it feels like. Way smoother. First pull. Hey guys, it's Gus from the Garage Specialist, and this is going to be the Hondata traction control review. I had the car with the traction control system set up now about a month. It's been great. The reason why you would need this system will be if you're having a hard time getting traction. When you start making power with these cars, it becomes really difficult to maintain traction, especially first, second, and third gear in this case. But with a Hondata traction control system, it really helps it out. It helps out to drive the car on the street better, especially in the rain. It helps launching the car, it just gets better traction. It's a pretty good product. I'm very happy with it. I strongly recommend it. But as far as this car, it's been doing really good. Now the next step is going to be take it to a track day and see if we can improve the quarter-mile time. Right now it has really rough tires on it, so it's not doing so well, but I got a pair of these tires, and we're going to try those out, see how it goes. Kind of want to show you guys how my tires are. Not in great shape, but yeah, great product. I strongly recommend it, especially if you're supercharged. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions on how to install it, any other questions how it works or anything like that. Just reach out to me in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram. Thanks for watching.